What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. You don't know, back in the music lab. Dan Mafia, wagwan. Hope everybody is good. I hope you have been drinking your water. Hope you have been taking care of yourselves. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, guys, we're back in the music lab. You see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, see me? We're back in the music lab, guys, and see what we are dealing with today. Today, we have a banger. Actually, I just dropped, you know. Yeah, see me? Skillibeng just dropped a new song a while ago. But before we even get into that, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, take this time to like and subscribe. You don't know, sub up, become part of the littest gang on YouTube. You don't know, we littest reaction channel over here, man, and it ain't got the vibes like we. But yeah, man, people, Skillibeng just dropped a song about an hour or two ago called 16 Them. You don't know, so you don't know. We have to go check it out and see what's going on. You don't know Skillibeng, no stranger to the channel. Rock to Skillibeng multiple times, man. From Crocodile Teeth to what? Why last thing with those to 16 Chopper to enough thing with them, man. To enough to Mr. Universe, Bin Laden, all of them. We do enough song from Skillibeng, so he's no stranger to the channel. So we'll check it out and so we don't know what skill. We know what skill level Skillibeng. No pun intended that pun, you see me? Full of skill. One of the artists and one of the brightest stars in the dancer right now. So you don't know, we'll go check it out and so we'll go on. Yeah, man, people not all up with vibes much longer. No one requested it, it just dropped, so no shout out. But you don't know, I see the comments and everything. But yeah, man, if you want to see your shout out and all that, definitely request your song. Yeah, see me requested the video. If I choose it, you're gonna get your shout out name and all that. Yeah, man, people, we're gonna jump right now. Track. This is Skillibeng 16 Them. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we know this is mad. You see me? This is Skillibeng 16 Them. Let's get it. I'm liking the beat already.
Caution.
Ooh, that build up is crazy.
Go for the 16 Them. Go for the 16 Them. 16 Them. Go for the 16 Them. Go for the 16 Them.
Yeah, man.
I want do some pussy hole. Them chatter shine like jewelry store. When we go for boy, like Grim Reaper take pussy soul.
Man say, yo, what do some pussy hole? Gunshot shine like jewelry store. I want you take I don't know if you stop playing with Skilly, man.
Gun as a light, like cooking stove, yeah. And a fight, how we gun them a sing like Ruby Road. Kill boy for spite, that you fi know, yeah. And no accident, left that for car where I do the road. Speech with the rifle and put it out. Smart ya for dead, for me put it down. But do some bomber hole, beard up your neck, so we gun no cool. 16 o'clock, like a thunder roll. Boy I fi fret, when them.
Yeah, man. Old Skillibeng back. Old Skillibeng back. I want to no man do not talk boy dog now. That coming a black and white with it. Yo, Skillibeng back. The old Skilly there. I want to know when the thing say old Skilly gone. Nah, man. The dog I send a reminder. I want to man say I want to some pussy hole gunshot. Like jewelry store. Hey, I don't know play with Skilly now, man.
Them here say me talks about basic pants we are wave. So fuck about east side me say. Any boy this must drop out. Me no fuck around. And a rifle that I must a jump. To it beat sweet. When the striker them a bust a goal. Kill a out a port. For some boy we a try bust a run. Any run a blood a run.
Easy no? Bomba Raja while the dog a forward. Easy. Blood cleat. You mean, man? Yeah, man. It's a good yo. Raja while a power skill. You mean it's a good look, me G. Yeah, man. You're on that. You're not right. You make it right links you.
Run. Whether if it's on steer, the sun a cut. Judgment 2016, I bust at you. This make face 16 when it squeeze. Bitch scream, I'm not gonna bust. Shot your boy.
I want to up. Oh, hey, Milito. Oh, yeah, mean, man. Oh, Skillibeng camp there. East side, them say. Mad.
Disease and thump that up. We not take no bad up. Any boy this week that tougher now. God know the 16 I go for now. Right?
Damn, man, if a Junkra fly through the video, dog. Yo, this mad. In a black and white, bro. Yo, this mad. Me like,
yo. No get sucker punch. Start it now, done ya so. I hold them batty boy, them is no match up. Go for the 16 them.
Yeah.
Go for the 16 them.
Yeah.
16 them. Go for the 16 them.
Coffee them. I want to know.
Go for the 16 them. Open them head like we do it door. Gun enough for them. Never took it home. Catch him 9 bed. Watch your pussy snore. Knock him 9 cents. As
Yo, this too mad, dad. This too mad. The man say what you supposed to all. Open them head like we do it door. And what the first time, the man say gunshot shine like jewels to that. Switch you up on the second verse. Yeah, man, like a Cartel used to do it. Yo, Cartel used to have the 2 different verses of a song that like 2 different hook, like the hook, switch up with the word in nice. But yo, mad dad.
him see the role murder at it best. I'm a friggin' show. A business door. Pay me and you know. But we bring a scope, nothing is joke. Finish hoop of work. And no police when we bring a force. 16. Bust out head. Left some wicked wall. Spinning wheel. Fast.
And no police. And no police when we bring the force. 16. Bust out them mid. Left some. Hey. Behave.
Sang cut back. Make them kiss the road.
Yo.
We have a 16 there.
Behave on yourself.
We have a 16 there. It's 16 there.
Behave yourself, yo.
I want to do some pussy wall.
The man crocodile chain, man. Easy now.
When we go for boy, like Grim Reaper take pussy soul. Gun as a light, like cooking stove, yeah. And a fight, how we gun them a sing like Ruby Road. Kill boy if it's fight, that you fin know, yeah.
Say yo. Yeah, this a pussy will go them like when Green Reaper go for soul. I want to you. Not gun as a light like what we do with stove. I know gunshot a sing like Ruby Rose. Behave for yourself, man. Easy skilly. Brrr. Easy yourself, BG.
And no accident, left that for car where I do the road. Speed with the rifle and put it out. Smart ya for dead, for me put it down.
Yo, mad. Oh, skilly back. I want to better behave on yourself. Yeah, man. And this beat, bro. The beat, the video. Come on. Easy, man. Very simple. Beat them bad. Skillibeng. Bombard. Oh, Skilly back, you know. As him, me try to tell you, you know. I try to tell you about the name. Believe in things say, oh, Skilly gone. And things say, yo, I be a foolish dog. Well, I'm telling you, I be a hits after hits. This man. Yeah, man, me like this man. Skillibeng, dad do him thing pan the one of people. What you thought about that one, man? Yeah, that was lit. You see me? That's one of the best song that I drop in a minute. You see me? So I want to drop no comments pan the one. You see me? Yeah, man. I don't think about the one. What was the favorite part? Eh? Why is it? The beat, the video. Cause the video was hard. Black and white, man. All black and white and dog have a Jancraft light through the video. This bad people. I like the one, man. Let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Make me know what I'm react to next, and I definitely get it done. You already know what time it is, guys. Yeah, man, if you're new channel, go ahead, like and subscribe. Sub up, man. Come become as a latest family on YouTube, latest reaction channel. Yeah, we're taking it straight to the top. You see me? I watch nobody say. You see me? I'm gonna do this thing. You see what I'm saying? We appreciate our love and support. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.